Welcome to Bike Update, the place where we dive deep into the machines that shape motorcycle culture. Today, we're rolling into the world of nostalgia, steel, and unmistakable Harley attitude as we explore the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, a modern revival of a legendary name. A tribute reborn. The Shovelhead engine originally ruled the roads from the late 60s to the mid-80s, earning a loyal following for its raw feel and mechanical charm. In 2025, Harley-Davidson brings that legacy back, not as a simple replica, but as a respectful reimagining. The new Shovelhead keeps the visual DNA intact, the familiar rocker box lines, the distinct engine profile, and that unmistakable old-school stance. Modern engineering, classic soul. While the design pays homage to the past, the internals are all modern. Riders get the authentic look of a Shovelhead without older-era maintenance challenges. Updated internals, smoother fuel delivery, and better heat management make this 2025 version far more dependable for everyday use. Harley's aim here is simple: preserve the character, remove the headaches. Performance and ride feel. The 2025 Shovelhead offers a balanced blend of vintage rumble and modern refinement. Power delivery is stronger and more responsive than the originals, but the ride is still unmistakably classic Harley, steady, low-end torque, and that slow, confident heartbeat at idle. Suspension and braking have also been upgraded, keeping the experience safe and comfortable without sacrificing heritage. Design and custom culture. Harley knows the Shovelhead name lives on because of custom builders and die-hard fans, and the 2025 model embraces that culture. The bike is built with customization in mind, easy-to-swap components, exposed lines, and a layout that begs for personal touches. Whether you want a stripped-down chopper vibe or a vintage touring style, the platform is ready. Who this bike is for? This isn't a mass-market machine, it's for riders who appreciate history, for those who want a bike that tells a story while still performing like a modern Harley. It's for collectors, longtime fans, or anyone wanting an authentic retro look without giving up reliability. Conclusion, Bike Update. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead isn't just a motorcycle, it's a bridge between generations of riders. It honors a legendary engine while proving that heritage and modern engineering can coexist beautifully. Thanks for watching Bike Update. Stay tuned for more rides, reviews, and deep dives into the machines that define the road.